Hi, my name's Mitchell Dillman with ColoradoSpringsSawmill.com. We're located right here on the west side of Colorado Springs, Colorado. Oh, wait a minute. We've moved, guys. We're now located just 30 minutes south of Colorado Springs, right here in Penrose, Colorado. We mill lumber for artistic and decorative purposes such as mantels and wall coverings, and a variety of furniture, fixtures, and decor. So if you're looking for any handmade interior decor or custom milled lumber, you need to be sure to get a hold of me here at ColoradoSpringsSawmill.com. At Penrose, Colorado.